come here and play.
Okay.
Marcus wants to play, Kira. Oh, Marcus wants to play. Where's the ball?
Over here.
Oh, let's go get it.
Let's give it.
Now you roll it to Kira. Mhm. Oh, that's nice. Kira's going to roll it to Marcus. Oops.
Let's go get it. Get it, the basketball.
Okay, you go get the basketball.
Let's go get that.
Kira's just learning how to catch. I'll go sit over there. Oh, Kira's going to get it this time.
I'll get it.
Well, let Kira do it, Marcus.
Oh, this happened.
Say cheese.